Janaka pays income tax of 6% on the amount that he earns above 100,000 rupees when his monthly salary is more than this amount. In a certain month, he puts aside for food 1/6 of the amount he received after paying tax. He puts aside 3/5 of remaining amount for other expenses. Part 1. What fraction of the amount Janaka received remains after he puts aside 1/6 of it for food? We can consider that amount received after paying income tax is 1, and we have to subtract portion puts aside for food. It is 1/6. Then we can get 1 as 6 out of 6 because of this denominator is 6. Minus 1/5. 6 minus 1, 1/6. 6 minus 1, 5 out of 6 is the remaining portion. Then part 2, what fraction of the amount he received remains with Janaka after he puts aside an amount for food and other expenses. We can get portion expended for food and other expenses. For food, 1/6. Other expenses, 3/5 of remaining amount. Then 3/5 of remaining amount is this one, 5/6. Then we can simplify it. We can cancel out 5 and 5. 1/6 plus 3 out of 6. It is 4/6. It is the total expenses. Then we can get, therefore, remaining amount again we have to consider that total amount is 1. It means amount portion after paying income tax is 1 minus this amount 4/6. We can get 1 as 6 out of 6 minus 4 out of 6. 6 minus 4, 2/6. We have to give the answer in simplest form. Then we can cancel out 2 divided by 2, 1. 6 divided by 2, 3. 1/3 is the remaining amount, remaining portion. Then part 3, if the amount that remains now is 39,600 rupees, find separately how much he received after paying tax and how much he put aside for food. Then we can get 1/3 of total amount he could receive after paying tax is given as 39,600. Then total amount he could receive after paying tax 39,600. We have to bring this fraction to the right hand side as reciprocal, 3 out of 1. Then we can multiply 2 zeros, 3 into 6, 18, 1 remaining, 3 into 9, 27 plus 1, 28, 2 remaining, 3 into 3, 9 plus 2, 11 rupees. It is the total amount he could receive after paying income tax. Then we have to find amount spent for food, amount put aside for food. Then amount put aside for food is 1/6 of amount received after paying tax. After paying tax amount is this one, 118,800. Then we can divide it. 11 divided by 6, 1, 5 remaining, 58 divided by 6, 9, 54, 4 remaining, 48 divided by 6, 8, 0, 0, 19,800 rupees. Then part 4, what was his salary before paying tax? To find the salary, we have to get the amount, taxable amount. We know that first 100,000 rupees is tax-free amount. Then in this portion, in this amount, 100,000 is tax-free amount. Then 18,800 is amount received after paying tax from taxable amount. Then we know that tax percentage is 6%. Therefore, remaining amount after paying tax from the taxable income is 94%. 6% is the tax percentage. Therefore, remaining percentage should be 94%. We can get 94%, 94 over 100 of taxable income should be equals to this value. Without 100,000, it is 18,800. Because of 100,000 is tax-free amount. Then we can find taxable income. We have to write this one, 18,800, and we have to bring 94 over 100 to the right hand side as reciprocal. 100 divided by 94. Then we can cancel out 94 divided by 94, 1, 200. It is 20,000 rupees. Taxable income is 20,000 rupees. Now we have to find salary before paying tax. Therefore, salary, when finding salary, tax-free amount 100,000, and we have to add taxable income 20,000. Then 120,000 rupees is the salary. Part 5. At some stage, due to the limit over which income tax is charged, being increased, if Janaka doesn't have to pay tax and the amount spent for on food remains same as before, how much does he spend on food as a percentage of his salary? Now, amount spent for food is this one, 19,800. It remains constant, it is not changing. Therefore, 19,800 is the amount spent for food. Total salary is this value, 120,000 rupees. Now, there is no tax, 120,000. Then, amount spent for food out of total salary. This one is the fraction. When converting fraction to a percentage, we have to multiply by 100. Then we can cancel out 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 19 divided by 12, 1. 7 remaining. 78 divided by 12, 6. 72, 6 remaining. 60 divided by 12, 5. It is 16.5%.